Good afternoon and welcome to another episode of Ziggy's Workshop. Today I'm going to discuss another modification or addition that I've made to my Workmate 425 Portable Project Center. There are times where the Workmate's top, I want to protect it, or it's just not big enough to do the job that I need it to do. The standard Workmate benches are 29 inches wide by 21 inches deep. Sometimes that's just not enough if you want to put a lawnmower up here, or you want to put something larger on here and have it be stable. It just isn't quite big enough. There are versions of this available from other YouTubers. This is my version of an auxiliary top and for the Workmate and how I went about making it. The first thing that I needed to do, or I need to do, to make this work is remove the center section and set it aside. I want to take the rear section and move it forward into the other holes and pull it back into its locked position. These jaws open quite far. These are about 5 inches deep. The workbench top that I have made is this is the bottom of it. The work top that I've made is now 32 inches deep by 48 inches wide. Why those measurements? That's because that's what I had. This is made out of 3/4 inch plywood. I took the perimeter and I ran about 4-inch wide pieces of plywood all the way down and across to here, and I did a 4 3/4 inch wide piece here. All of these have been glued with Titebond 3 glue and brad nailed in, as well as this piece here too. To make this work with the Workmate and so that it's stable, what I've done is this board is going to fall within the gap in the between the clamps and lock down in. When you tighten up the clamps on the Workmate, like so, they lock in, and this becomes a very sturdy, very nice work surface to work on. With all of my projects that I do, all of the jigs and fixtures that I make, I put at least 2, if not 3 coats of polyurethane on all of them. In this case, it was 3 coats sanded in between each coat. The reason for that is I want to stop penetration of stains, varnishes, oils, gas, whatever, getting into the wood and destroying it. I also don't want moisture getting into it to allow the board to warp. One thing that I did notice when I made this was the clamps would not quite hold it tight enough that if I had a heavy weight on the back, it would want to twist out. To remedy that, I did the following. I'll show you what I did. Right here, if you look, I installed 3 small screws on the edge of this, and what happens is those 3 screws wind up in the groove that's in the clamp on the Workmate. They bite in to give it some extra rigidity and extra clamping power. again, this is very easy to install. It's not going to warp because it's 2 layers of 3/4 inch plywood, and it's durable. It's not too heavy to pick up every day, you know, pick up and move around. I've seen some others where they seemed very, very heavy. I don't find this to be too heavy to maneuver around. It's easy to put on, and it's easy to take away. And to return the Workmate back to its original positions, it's just a simple matter of engaging the tops into the grooves and locking them down, and you're back into normal operations. As always, thank you for your time. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Good luck with your projects, and have a great day.